Hello dear student. In this video, we will discuss about principal focus for convex and concave lens. So my dear student, we know that lens has two principal foci. This is what? This is a convex lens and this is a concave lens. So lens has two principal foci. What is foci here? Foci is the plural of focus. So now let us make the focus for these two lenses. This is first principal focus. So the rays that are coming from the focus, after refraction, it will become parallel to the principal axis, right? It is a point, or you can say that principal focus is a point on the principal axis of the lens. This is principal axis. मैंने कल के वीडियो में आपको बताया था ये प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस है, ये ऑप्टिकल सेंटर है. सो फोकस जो पॉइंट होता है, जो फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल फोकस होता है, इट इज अ पॉइंट ऑन द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस ऑफ द लेंस. The rays starting from or directed to which become parallel to principal axis after refraction. यहाँ से अगर कोई भी ray start होती है, incident ray, after refraction it will become parallel to the principal axis, right? अब यहाँ से अब suppose the rays that are coming from the infinity, right? After refraction it will become parallel to the, or you can say this one. This is what focus for concave lens, right? This is first principal focus for both the lenses. Now let us discuss for the second principal focus. Again, you see this is what a convex lens and this is a concave lens. This is principal axis. Here, see, this is f2 for convex lens. So what is that? It is the point on the principal axis. After refraction, the line is supposed to meet, the line is on that, the line meet at focus, right? So second principal focus is the point on the principal axis at which the rays that are coming parallel to the principal axis after refraction मीट ऑन दिस पॉइंट. मैंने कल आपको बताया था कि कॉन्वेक्स लेंस कन्वर्जिंग लेंस होता है. कन्वर्जिंग लेंस का मतलब क्या होता है कि सारी जो रेज हैं वो आके रिफ्रैक्शन के बाद एक पॉइंट पर मिलती हैं. इसको हम कन्वर्ज होना कहते हैं, राइट? दिस इज व्हाट अ कन्वर्ज लेंस, राइट? अब यहाँ पर अब अगर हम कॉन्केव लेंस की बात करें, आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन यू सी दिस इज व्हाट इंसिडेंट रे, this is refracted ray, right? And this, if it meets, so this is what the principal focus for concave lens. So let me recall this definition one more time. This is first principal focus for convex lens. It is a point on the principal axis, right, where the rays starting from or from directed to which it will become parallel after refraction. It will become parallel to the principal axis after refraction, right? Here, second principal focus. It is the point on the principal axis at which the rays coming parallel to the principal axis converge. Converge means meet at one point on the other side of the lens, right? Or appear to meet on the same side of the lens. This is for concave after refraction. So I hope my dear student this is clear to you all. This is what principal focus. Next video में इसी रे डायग्राम की हेल्प से मैं आपको रूल्स बताऊंगी इमेज फॉर्मेशन की, राइट? इमेज फॉर्मेशन in lenses using ray diagrams. So I hope this concept is very clear to you all. अब आप का जो काम है उसको अच्छे से पढ़ना है, मेरे चैनल को लाइक करना है, सब्सक्राइब करना है और अपने इम्पोर्टेंट कमेंट्स भी देना है. सो हैव अ ग्रेट डे अहेड. बाय बाय माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स.